In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate TradingView effectively, especially if you're interested in analyzing financial metrics like the price to earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. Whether you're a beginner in the world of stock trading or have some experience, this step-by-step guide will help you harness the full potential of TradingView for your market analytics needs. Let's begin by heading over to the TradingView website. TradingView is a powerful browser-based platform widely used by investors and traders for its comprehensive charting capabilities. Once you arrive, you'll be greeted by a clean, intuitive interface designed to give you easy access to a plethora of tools and information necessary for making informed trading decisions. Now, once you're on the main page, the first thing to do is locate the search bar. This tool is essential because it allows you to quickly find the specific financial metrics or stock data you're interested in. For our purposes today, you're going to search for something specific, the PE ratio. The PE ratio helps investors determine the market's valuation of a company relative to its earnings, and it's a crucial metric for assessing stock value. Simply type PE ratio into the search bar. TradingView will then provide you with a range of results related to your query. We're focusing specifically on accessing the PE ratio chart to understand a company's valuation relative to its earnings potential. So go ahead and click on the result that precisely matches PE ratio. By doing this, you'll be directed to a detailed chart that visually represents this ratio over time. As you navigate through this section, you will notice a wide array of features at your disposal. Remember, understanding how to read this chart and interpret its data is crucial in making informed decisions about buying or selling stocks. The chart will show you historical trends, helping you gain insight into past performance and potential future movements based on historical patterns. While exploring these features, take advantage of the customization options available on TradingView to tailor your chart visuals according to your preferences, making the data easier for you to digest and analyze. For example, you can modify the time intervals, apply indicators, or compare the PE ratios of different companies within the same sector. Finally, always remember that while the PE ratio is a powerful indicator, it should be considered alongside other important metrics and qualitative factors for a more holistic view of a company's financial health and market position. TradingView provides a wealth of information, so take your time to explore and get comfortable with its functionalities. By following these simple steps, you'll have a better understanding of how to use TradingView to track and analyze financial metrics effectively, enhancing your market analysis skills and aiding your investment strategies.